Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install FullBright in Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write FullBright UV. Click the moderate link, wait for a couple of seconds, go to versions, game versions 26.1, and then download this particular version. Once you do so, then drag it to desktop or whatever you like, launch Minecraft Launcher, go to Java Edition and then select the loader. I will go with the vanilla here and wait until Minecraft will load up. And once you're in the game, let's minimize a bit here. And then you need to look for a FullBright, go to options, resource packs, and basically drag and drop FullBright here. Right? And once you do so, for me it's failed because I already had it, but for you, if you do not have it, it will be available. Then select basically FullBright here, make sure it's on selected part, press done. And then we need to wait. And here, if I set time night, time set night, as you can see here, it's bright. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.